Everyone. So today we are working on Chapter 2, Lesson 2 in M Cubed. So your math targets for today are: I can understand that the first number of an ordered pair indicates how far to travel from the origin, 0, 0, in the direction of the x-axis, and the second number indicates how far to travel in the direction of the y-axis. I can understand signs of numbers in ordered pairs as indicating locations in quadrants of the coordinate plane. I can find and position integers on a coordinate plane. I can represent a two-dimensional shape on a coordinate plane. I can translate a shape to another location on the grid and describe the effect of the translation using the two-dimensional shape on the two-dimensional shape using coordinates. And I can solve mathematical problems by graphing points in all four quadrants of the coordinate plane. All right, so here is the math vocabulary. So a coordinate is one of the numbers in an ordered pair, such as the 2 and 2, 3, that indicates its location on a coordinate graph. Line of reflection is the line over which a figure is reflected or flipped. In this unit, figures are reflected either over a horizontal line or a vertical line. Ordered pair, a pair of numbers used to describe the location of a point on a coordinate grid in relation to the origin, 0, 0. The numbers are listed in parentheses. The first number of the pair indicates units to move away from the origin on the horizontal axis, x-axis, and the second number tells the units to move away from the origin on the vertical axis, y-axis. Origin, the point of intersection, 0, 0, for the x and y axes on a coordinate graph. Reflection, a transformation that flips a figure over a line. So if I'm going to reflect these two figures, it doesn't just work. We did this last week as well on Wednesday. It doesn't just work to turn it like, to turn it like that. You also have to go to, oh my gosh, you have to go to arrange. This should be, there's 180. Okay. You have to go to arrange and rotate, flip. Then it will be an actual reflection. So when you're working on this independently and in your small groups, that's what you need to remember, is go to arrange, rotate, flip. Okay, so now a translation is a transformation that slides. So all you're doing is sliding it exactly. On a grid, it would be have the exact same. It would have the same direct. It would just go in one direction. Okay. An x-axis is the horizontal number line on a coordinate graph. The y-axis is a vertical number line on a coordinate graph. All right. So here you are going to practice graphing, finding these points on the grid. So what you need to do first is you need to come to shape and grab yourself a circle, and I'm going to start with this 1, 1 and fill it with black so it shows up really well. So there's my first point. I can move it a little bit too if I want to. All right, now I'm not going to create a new shape or a new point every single time. I'm just going to copy and paste it. So this is 1, 1, which is the first direction. So the second direction, point B on shape 1, I need to go to 1, 3. So that's going to be here. So it's not going to come up where you want it to. You have to move it. Once you have those 4 points plotted, then you're going to draw the lines to connect and make a shape. Okay. Then on the next slide, you're going to have all of these slides to work with today in math. So you're going to find you're going to find different points in the 4 quadrants. So this was just using one quadrant. So it's just using that first quadrant. So this time you're going to use all 4. So here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, and here's 4. So this is where the integers come in. So you are going to start with 1, 1 in quadrant 1, then 3, 3, 6, 1, and then quadrant 2 is going to be over here. So again, you're just going to be, you can still paste that, you can still paste, there you go, that point that you made. Okay, so the third activity you're going to be engaging in is going to be reflecting. So again, this one this one is made. So you can make shapes, but you can also use the ones that are pre-made, which will also be there. So you can make them. So this one has to be rotated 180 degrees and put it right up against the line so that it's reflecting. Oops, it's not going to be perfect probably. And this one is going to be reflected over the x-axis. Okay, so then on this last one, you can work together to come up with some different coordinates and challenge the other people in your group to make shapes using the coordinates that you give. All right, so again, we're going to have 7 groups. So here are your directions. You'll be randomly sorted into 7 groups. Move to the slides, I should say slides, that have your group number on them. I'm going to fix that right now. Slides that have your group numbers on them. Slides 7 through 34, turn on your microphone and talk with your group, and then in small groups complete your slides. So this is going to involve some collaboration and coordination, and I am sure that you're going to do a fantastic job. I'll look forward to it. All right, see you soon. Bye.